Namaste, dear students. Today we are starting chapter number 3 explanation of class 8th Sanskrit book Ruchira. The name of the chapter is Digi Bharatam. It means Digital India. First of all, we will pronounce these Sanskrit words paragraph, and after that we will see the explanation of these lines, these paragraph. So let's see. अद्य सम्पूर्ण विश्वे डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा श्रूयते. अस्य पदस्य कः भावः इति मनसि जिज्ञासा उत्पद्यते. कालपरिवर्तनेन सह मानवस्य आवश्यकता अपि परिवर्तते. So it means we will see word by word. Adhya means today. Sampurna Vishwe in all over world. Digital India means digital India. Ityasya means of it. Charcha means discussion. Shruyate means can be heard. So the full meaning of this line: today the discussion of digital India is heard in all over the world. Today, the discussion of digital India can be listened in all over the world. Next, asya means this, of it. Padasya means of this word, of this term. Kaha bhavah means what is the meaning. What is the meaning of it? Iti manasi jigyasa utpadyate. This curiosity is generated in our hearts, in our minds. So what is the meaning of this word, this term, digital India? The curiosity for knowing the meaning is generated in our minds, in our hearts. Next line, kal parivartanena saha, with the changing of time. Manavasya avashyakata api, the need of human body, parivartate, change. With the changing of time, human needs also change. So now let's see the full meaning of this line. Today, the discussion of digital India is heard in all over the world. The curiosity for knowing the meaning of the term digital India is generated in our minds, in our hearts. With the changing of time, human needs also change. Now come to the next lines. Prachina kale jnanasya adana pradanam maukikam asita. Vidya cha shruti paramparaya grahyate shma. Anantaram talpatropari bhojapatropari cha lekhana karyam Arabdham. It means Prachina Kale, in the ancient time, Jnanasya of knowledge, Adana Pradanam means exchange, Maukikam Asita. In the ancient time, the exchange of knowledge only done by the orally, exchanged by only orally. Vidya cha shruti paramparaya grahyate, and knowledge was acquired through the tradition of hearing. Next, anantaram means after that, talpatropari, after that or later. Talpatropari means palm leaf, bhojapatropari means banquet leaves, cha means and, Lekhan Karyam, writing work, Arabdham, started. Later, writing work started on the palm leaves and banquet leaves. So now see the full meaning of these lines. In the ancient time, knowledge was exchanged only orally, and knowledge was acquired through the tradition of hearing. Later, writing work started on the palm leaf and the banquet leaves. Now come to the next lines. परिवर्तन काले कर्गदस्य लेखन्याः च आविष्कारेण सर्वेषामेव मनोगतानां भावानां कर्गदोपरि लेखनं प्रारब्धम्। टङ्कणयन्त्रस्य आविष्कारेण तो लिखिता सामग्री टंकिता सती बहुकालाय सुरक्षिता अतिष्ठित। It means परिवर्तन काले means after some time, after changing of time, करगदस्य of paper, लेखन्या means pencil, च आविष्कारेण invention, सर्वेषाम of all, मनोगतानाम means minds, feelings of minds, bhavanam means feelings, thoughts, so thoughts of the mind, feelings of the mind, kargadopari on the paper, lekhanam means writing, prarambdham started. After some time, after the changing of time, after the invention of paper and writing, all the feelings of mind started writing on the paper. When the writing and the paper invented, so all the thoughts of minds of all persons was started on the writing of paper. Next, tankad yantrasya means of typing machine, typewriter, aviskarena, aviskar means invention, to means only, of course, लिखिता सामग्री means writing materials, टंकिता सती means after typing, बहुकालाय for a long time, सुरक्षिता अतिष्ठित kept safe. So with the invention of typewriter, written materials remained safe for a long time. So let's see the meaning again, the full line meaning. After changing of time, after some time, when the paper and the writing work invented, then all thoughts of everyone started writing on the paper. And after the invention of typewriter, our written material remained safe for a long time. So like this, now come to next lines. वैज्ञानिक प्रविधे प्रगति यात्रा पुनरपि अग्रे गता, अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणक नामकेन यंत्रेण साधितानि भवन्ति, समाचारपत्राणि पुस्तकानि च कंप्यूटर माध्यमेन पठ्यन्ते लिख्यन्ते च। वैज्ञानिक प्रविधि means scientific technology, प्रगति यात्रा journey of progress, पुनरपि अग्रे गता again continue, अद्य means today, सर्वाणि कार्याणि all works, संगणक नामकेन यंत्रेण means one machine named computer, साधितानि भवन्ति means done, समाचार पत्राणि न्यूज पेपर, पुस्तकानि books, च means and, कंप्यूटर माध्यमेन by the computer, पठ्यन्ते read, लिख्यन्ते write, च means and. So the journey of progress in the field of scientific technology continued nonetheless, means the journey of progress continuing again and again regularly. And nowadays, today, all the works are done by machine, that's called computer. Newspaper and books are read and written by computers. Nowadays you can see you use mobile, computer, laptop, and all works you can do by the computer. Mostly nowadays online class also is taken by computer. Now come to next line. कर्गदोद्योगे वृक्षाणां उपयोगेन वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते स्म, परं संगणकस्य अधिकाधिक प्रयोगेण वृक्षाणां कर्तने न्यूनता भविष्यति इति विश्वासः। अनेन पर्यावरण सुरक्षायाः दिशि महान उपकारो भविष्यति। मीन्स कर्गदो उद्योगे इन द पेपर इंडस्ट्री वृक्षाणाम उपयोगेन ऑफ द यूज ऑफ ट्रीज वृक्षेन कर्त्यन्ते स्म, trees were cut in the use of paper industry, परम but लेकिन संगणकस्य means of computer अधिकाधिक प्रयोगेण maximum use वृक्षाणाम of trees कर्तने means cutting, न्यूनता means very less, भविष्यति will become, इति विश्वास this is believe, अनेन means many, पर्यावरण सुरक्षायाः पर्यावरण सुरक्षा means safety of environment, दिशि means towards, महान उपकारो means great work, great benefit, भविष्यति will be. Let's see the full meaning. Trees were cut for use in the paper industry, but it is believed that the increasing of using of computers will reduce the number of trees to be cut. Means after using the computers we can reduce the cutting of trees, it is believed, and it will be which will be a great benefit toward environmental protection, and it is a great work towards the safety of environment. Understand? Now come to next line. अधुना आपणे वस्तु क्रियार्थम रूप्यकाणाम अनिवार्यता नास्ति। डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादयः सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणाम स्थानं गृहीतवन्तः। अधुना मीन्स नाउ, आपणे मीन्स in the market, vastu kriyartham means for purchasing the things, purchasing the articles, rupyakanam money, anivaryata means essential need, nasti no, nowadays it is no need of money for purchasing the items from the market. There is no need of keeping money. Why? Because debit card, credit card ityadayah sarvatra, ityadayah means it's extra, etc, sarvatra means all, everywhere, rupyakanam means of rupees, sthanam place, grahitavanta means took. So nowadays there is no need of keeping money for purchasing the articles, items from the market, because debit card and the credit card, it's extra, took the place of the money, have replaced the rupees everywhere. Understand? Now come to next lines. वित्तकोशस्य बैंकस्य चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणकयंत्रेण संपाद्यन्ते। बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः, अनुप्रयोगाः मीन्स ऐप, मुद्राविहीनाय विनिमयाय कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शन सहायका सन्ति। इट मीन्स वित्तकोशस्य, वित्तकोश मीन्स बैंक, ऑफ बैंक, चापि आल्सो, सर्वाणि कार्याणि ऑल वर्क्स, संगणक यंत्रेण बाय द कंप्यूटर, संपाद्यते done, in even all the works of bank treasury is done by computer, even all the works of treasury bank is done by computer. तो संगणक मीन्स कंप्यूटर। बहुविधा अनुप्रयोगा, many types of application apps। मुद्रा विहीन विनिमयाय, मुद्रा विहीनाय विनिमयाय मीन्स कैशलेस ट्रांजेक्शंस। सहायिका मीन्स helper, santi means are। There are many applications apps for the help of cashless transactions। Let's see the full meaning। Even all the work of all the banks is done by computer। There are many applications for the help of cashless transaction। Next line, कुत्रापि यात्रा करणीया भवेत रेलयान यात्रापत्रस्य वायुयान यात्रापत्रस्य अनिवार्यता अद्य नास्ति। मीन्स कुत्रापि मीन्स कुत्रापि यात्रा, anywhere travel, traveling for anywhere। करणीया means going, doing। भवेत means became। रेल यात्रा पत्रस्य railway ticket। वायुयान यात्रा पत्रस्य एयर टिकट फ्लाइट टिकट। अनिवार्यता essential, no need। अद्य now, नास्ति no। So today there is no need for ticket, train ticket or air ticket anywhere while traveling। During the traveling there is no need to keep train tickets and air tickets anywhere। Why? Because all things are in our mobile। Next line, सर्वाणि पत्राणि अस्माकं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे ईमेल इति स्थाने सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति, यानि संदर्श्य वयं सौकर्येण यात्रायाः आनन्दं ग्रहणीम। It means सर्वाणि पत्राणि all the documents अस्माकं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे in our mobile। चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे means in mobile। email, email you know email। इति स्थाने in this place। सुरक्षितानि safe। भवन्ति becomes। यानि which। संदर्श्य means which can view, which can show। वयम, वयम means we। सौकर्येण यात्रायाः, सौकर्येण यात्रायाः means easily view the during the journey। आनंदम ग्रहीण means enjoy the getting enjoy। So all the documents are saved in email space in our mobile phone, which we can easily view, easily show and enjoy the journey। So all documents, all tickets are saved in our mail, in our email, and by showing it we can enjoy our traveling, our journey। Next line, चिकित्सालये अपि उपचारार्थ रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकता नाद्य नानुभूयते। सर्वत्र कार्ड माध्यमेन ई बैंक माध्यमेन शुल्कं प्रदातुं शक्यते। चिकित्सालये अपि means in the hospital also, in the hospital also। उपचारार्थम for treatment। रूप्यकाणाम of money। आवश्यकता नानुभूयते not feeling the need। So what is the meaning? There is no need of money for treatment in the hospital, because सर्वत्र everywhere कार्ड माध्यमेन by the card, ई बैंक माध्यमेन by ई बैंक शुल्कम प्रदातुं शक्यते। शुल्कम means payment, प्रदातुं means give, शक्यते means can। Everywhere with the help of card, with the help of e-bank we can give the payment। Let's see the full meaning। Today there is no need of money for treatment in hospitals, because everywhere we can make payment by the card and by the e-bank। Okay, now come to next line. तद्दिनं नाति दूरं यदा वयं हस्ते एकमात्रं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रम् आदाय सर्वाणि कार्याणि साधयितुं समर्थाः भविष्यामः. तद्दिनं means that day, नाति दूरम not so far off, यदा when, वयम हस्ते in our hands, एकमात्र only, चल दूरभाष यंत्रम आदाय by using of mobile, सर्वाणि कार्याणि all works, साधयतुम for done, for doing, समर्था भविष्याम means will be able. That day is not so far off when we will be able to accomplish means complete all things with a single mobile phone in our hands. That day is not so far when we can complete all the works by using the mobile by our hands. The next line we are doing here. वस्त्रपुटके रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकता न भविष्यति. पासबुक, चेकबुक इत्यनयोः आवश्यकता न भविष्यति. पठनार्थं पुस्तकानां समाचारपत्राणाम् अनिवार्यता समाप्तप्राया भविष्यति. वस्त्रपुटके means in the pocket. वस्त्रपुटके pocket. रूप्यकाणां money, आवश्यकता need, न भविष्यति would not. You would not need money in your pocket. There will be no need to keep money in your pocket. Passbook, checkbook. You know passbook and checkbook? इत्यनयो means with them. आवश्यकता न भविष्यति, no need. And there is no need of keeping passbook and checkbook. पठनार्थम for reading, पुस्तकानाम means books, समाचार पत्राणाम newspaper, अनिवार्यता means need, समाप्त प्रायाः means almost eliminated, भविष्यति will be. The need for reading books and newspaper to read would almost be eliminated. Means there will be no need to reading newspaper, books. Why? Because we will use our mobile and we can use social media, and by this social media mobile we can see every book, each knowledge of word by our mobile with the help of social media. Okay, now come to next line. लेखनार्थम अभ्यास पुस्तिकायाः कर्गदस्य वा नूतन ज्ञानान्वेषणार्थम शब्दकोशस्यापि आवश्यकता न भविष्यति. It means लेखनार्थम for writing. अभ्यास पुस्तिका means exercise book, practice book. कर्गदस्य और paper, वा means और, कर्गदस्य of paper. नूतन ज्ञानान्वेषणार्थ discovering of new knowledge, searching of new knowledge. शब्दकोशस्यापि dictionary also. आवश्यकता न भविष्यति, there will be no need. So you would not even need practice book or paper or a dictionary to write down to discover new knowledge. So there will be no need for notebook, paper, and for searching new knowledge, dictionary also there will be no need. Why? Because with the help of computer, laptop, mobile, we can easily search all type of knowledge, all type of words in dictionary. E-dictionary you know also. Next, अपरिचित मार्गस्य ज्ञानार्थम मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य आवश्यकतायाः अनुभूतिः अपि न भविष्यति. एतत् सर्वम् एकनेव यंत्रेण कर्तुम शक्यते. It means अपरिचित मार्गस्य means unfamiliar route, unknown route, ज्ञानार्थम for knowing, मार्गदर्शकस्य, मार्गदर्शक means navigator, मानचित्रस्य, मानचित्रस्य means of map, आवश्यकता अनुभूति, आवश्यकता means need, अनुभूति अपि न भविष्यति will not be feel. So in the unfamiliar route you would not even feel the need for a map, for a navigator, you will not feel anything. एतत् सर्वम means all these, एकनेव यंत्रेण by only one machine, कर्तुम शक्यन्ते can do, all these we can do with the help of a single machine named mobile. So unfamiliar route, unknown routes, there will be no need of seeing map for navigation the way, for knowledge of way, because all these works can be done by the help of a single machine, mobile. And mobile, you can see Google Map nowadays. By the help of Google Map we can go everywhere. So this thing is poet want to tell, there is no need to keeping map with us. With using the mobile we can go everywhere, in unknown places also, unknown route also. Okay, now come to next line. साकादिक्रयार्थम, साकादिक्रयार्थम फलक्रियार्थम विश्राम गृहेषु कक्ष सुनिश्चितिं कर्तुं चिकित्सालये शुल्कं प्रदातुं विद्यालये महाविद्यालये चापि शुल्कं प्रदातुं किं बहुना दानमपि दातुं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रमेव अलम्. It means साकादिक्रियार्थम for buying vegetables, for buying vegetables, purchasing vegetables. फलक्रियार्थम for purchasing fruits. विश्राम गृहेषु कक्षम सुनिश्चितम कर्तुम means booking rooms in hotels, booking rooms in a rest homes. चिकित्सालये शुल्कम प्रदातुम for paying the hospital bill. विद्यालये महाविद्यालये चापि and paying to the school and college. शुल्कम प्रदातुम, शुल्कम प्रदातुम means for giving the payment. बहुना दानम अपि for giving too much donation also, even making donation also. चल दूरभाषयंत्रमेव only mobile alam means enough. A mobile phone is enough to buy vegetables and fruit, to ensure the rest homes, to ensure to booking the room in rest homes, to pay fee to the hospitals, to pay fee to schools and colleges, and even to make donation. Only a mobile phone is enough. So all these type of works we can do by the help of mobile, for purchasing vegetables, fruits, booking rooms, paying payment in hospital, college, schools, and donation also. Only one mobile phone is enough. Next line. डिजि भारतम इति अस्याम दिशि वयम भारतीयाः द्रुतगत्या अग्रे सराम. डिजि भारतम मीन्स डिजिटल इंडिया. इति अस्याम दिशाम मीन्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन. वयम भारतीया वी इंडियंस. द्रुतगत्याम मीन्स मूविंग फास्ट. अग्रे सराम in the forward. So we Indians are moving fast in this direction of digital India. We Indians are going fast in the direction towards of digital India. So like this chapter's explanation has completed. I hope you enjoyed this session.